Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Arch Linux and an interesting survey conducted among its community. Let's discover what users think about one of the most beloved distributions for Linux enthusiasts. Let's start with the main highlights. The survey gathered hundreds of responses, offering a detailed snapshot of user habits, preferences, and challenges. One thing is clear: Arch's community is not only passionate, but also highly aware of their choices. First interesting fact: nearly all respondents stated that they value Arch's lightweight nature and flexibility. Unsurprisingly, Arch is known for its do-it-yourself approach, allowing users to customize every aspect of their operating system. However, frustrations exist. 30% of participants admitted encountering issues during updates, a reality many rolling release users are familiar with. Second insight: Arch's package manager, pacman, is at the heart of the system and a key reason users prefer it over other distributions. Simplicity and speed were frequently highlighted. Yet, a common request emerged: better documentation for beginners, despite the renowned Arch Wiki being considered one of the best resources in the Linux community. Third point to highlight: the community. Most users praise the support they've received, especially on platforms like Reddit, dedicated forums, and social media. But there's a catch: the tone of discussions. Many users reported a less welcoming environment for newcomers, an area where Arch could improve to attract more people to its ecosystem. Finally, a look at hardware preferences. Arch users tend to run more advanced systems compared to the average Linux user. This confirms that Arch attracts enthusiasts, developers, and power users willing to invest time and resources to get the most out of their operating system. It provides us with a glimpse into a unique, ambitious, and deeply involved community. However, there's always room for improvement, especially when it comes to welcoming new users. Thanks for watching.